I'm in Livingston, Texas, near Livingston, Texas. Uh, we are axis deer hunting on this ranch, and looking forward to it. Never seen an axis deer. Saw one driving in this morning's first morning. We drove all day yesterday, about 15 hours from Tennessee, and they'll say it's a long night. Had to get up 3:30 yesterday. Get up 3:30 today. Hope everybody's doing good. I've been better, but I've been worse. So, buddy that's with me, he's already got one in front of him. We ain't been in this blinds 20 minutes probably. But mosquitoes are horrible down here. It's supposed to rain later. That's why the mosquitoes are back, because it's been raining a lot down here. They've had a lot of flooding and stuff. But blind I'm in is the nicest blind I've ever been in. Jarred my teeth a little bit getting in it, but it is what it is. Hopefully I'll get something on film for you. It's my goal is try to film it. I don't have the best setup here, and I'm in my track chair and this blind's tight, but don't have a good way to set my camera up, so I'm going to try to set it on the shelf and get a video, hopefully if I get a shot, but I do the best I can. And hopefully we see something. You know, it's not guaranteed, but hopefully we'll see something. But anyways, I've always wanted to come down here and hunt in Texas, and finally got the opportunity, and just thankful to God for it also. And you know, it's not always easy traveling and my being in a wheelchair and my condition and stuff, but man, God's good. He takes care of me, and as you can see, I'm in a short sleeve shirt, and I have shorts on. It is hot, it's muggy, but we're hunting, so hopefully we'll get back with you here in a little bit. Y'all hang loose. shot a big axis deer, and dude, I'm shaking so bad I can't hold the camera still. He just bedded down back there, so I think he's down. I hope he is. I'm not going to be loud. I hope he was hard-horned. I think he was. Man, I'm bumped up right now. I didn't get much footage, I don't think, because they're real spooky. Right now, I just gotta watch because I'm afraid he'll get back up. If he does, I'm gonna shoot him again. Whew, man, I'm bumped up, dude. It's been a long 2 days. I was getting a little concerned if it's gonna see anything or not. But, sorry, I'm just trying to watch, see if he's back there moving or dead. I'm going to get my binoculars. But anyways, I'm going to get out there and see if I can get some of my binoculars, and hopefully I'll get some pictures and try to get some more footage of them. But hopefully I got it on the camera. We'll see. Talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I just we just loaded up my axis deer. I didn't record any recovery. Sorry, I was trying to make sure it was down. I honestly just forgot to, but I hope I got the shot on film. I'm pretty sure I did. We're down here in Texas, around Livingston, Texas, about 15 miles from there. I'm not sure what the little town is. I don't know if there's a town, but anyways, we're at the Hendrix Wildlife Hendrix Wildlife Ranch, and that trophy buck that I shot, it's definitely a trophy buck, like it's a axis buck, but we're real happy about it. Shaking like crazy. I mean, I know everybody don't agree with high fence hunting, and that's okay. I still think hunters ought to band together, period. Just don't matter. I think we got to band together. If it's legal and you're doing it, good for you. That's the way I feel. But that's okay. Everybody's got their opinion, and I'm a big boy. I can take it. But anyways, man, I'm super pumped. I'm happy. It's a once in a lifetime thing for me. I'll never get a chance to kill another axis deer. I will never be able to go anywhere to kill one otherwise. But beautiful animals. I'm thankful to God for allowing me to harvest this one. He didn't go far. I did hit him a little bit back. I did hit my gun getting in my blind. I hit the barrel pretty hard. It fell over and hit the barrel, so it could be off, but I think he stepped on me too. But either way, he's dead. I'm not making excuses regardless. I own up. If I make a bad shot, it's a bad shot. But he didn't go about 60 yards and laid down and died, so he didn't live long after the shot. Shot him old 308 Encore. I love this thing. Good little shooting gun. But hopefully I'll get this thing out on YouTube for everybody to see. And y'all like, share, subscribe. Buttermilk Outdoors. We appreciate you. I like trying to build my followers up, and now I know I need to get some more content on there, but man, I appreciate everybody, and we'll go head back to Tennessee probably tomorrow evening or Sunday. Depends. Buddy's still hunting, so we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I appreciate y'all, and we'll holler at you next time. Thank you.